Tom Giglio here to introduce the new TRS temperature reading station by 247Security. Small, installs in minutes, and reliable up to 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The TRS provides automated contactless IR temperature readings in less than a second. Audible and visual alarms alert users to high temperature readings. Let's take a look.
Normal temperature.
A cup of warm water instantly sets off the high temperature alarm. Installation on your buses is quick and easy. First, clean the surface where the mounting bracket will be applied using an alcohol-based cleaner. After it dries, peel the backing off the bracket and press it firmly to the surface. Align the mounting holes on the back of the TRS with 2 screws attached to the bracket. Press the TRS into place and installation is complete. Turn the unit on and the TRS is ready to go. Step on the bus, use your hand,
Normal temperature.
or you can use your forehead
Normal temperature.
to get the TRS reading. Using an infrared ear thermometer to test for accuracy, the TRS was within 0.1 degree of the thermometer reading. We got a 97.6 reading from the thermometer and a 97.7 from the TRS. At $160 per unit, the TRS is the simplest, quickest, and most affordable way to get contactless, accurate temperature readings of students on your buses.